Hello again, friends. Here we pair our gut-friendly curry sauce with savory flank steak and a few easy vegetables I had on hand. Fresh frozen sweet peas, vibrant summer squash zucchini, and wildly nutritious oyster mushrooms. Let's dive in to our peaceful prep. There are many ways to prepare flank steak. Here I keep it simple. A liberal sprinkling of salt for sparkle. Remember, for red meat, it's ideal to salt 24 hours or so before cooking time to help penetrate the protein walls. Of course, any time is better than no time. We want to sprinkle both sides and then cover to refrigerate if longer than 20 minutes before cooking. Sweet potatoes make a highly nutritious substitution for rice in this dish. Peel where needed and simply chop into small pieces, small and uniform in size so they cook evenly. We chop our zucchini into shapes similar to our sweet potatoes. These sweet peas, or garden peas, may be tiny, but they're packed full of vitamins and minerals. Easy to sprinkle in your dish at the end of cooking. Here I use pea shoots to count for our leafy greens, a powerful nutrient punch. A simple rough cut will do. Simply tear or cut your mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. When sautéed, they turn into a silky, creamy texture. And finally, a few slices of onion. And our foolproof, water-dipped peeling of garlic. Here is our Indian curry sauce, a delicious, creamy sauce with deep, earthy undertones. Here I brighten it with a touch of lemon and fresh, celery-like dill. In this step number 4, we cook our batches over medium-high heat. First, we want our pan to be nice and hot, and we test that with a few drops of water. Then, a bit of healthy fat. Place our steak in the pan, lay away to help ensure nothing hot splatters in your direction. Remember, one of the keys to successful browning of meat is to pull it from the refrigerator about 20 minutes before cooking to bring it to room temperature. Press to sear to help brown and lock in flavors. I do most of the browning on the first side before flipping it to side 2, but honestly, here I flipped it a bit early. But no worries, as we just keep browning until ready. Pull the steak from the pan, and as it sits, the residual heat will continue to cook and help lock in flavor juices. The second batch is mushrooms and aromatics. Add a good portion of healthy fat and the mushrooms to the pan. press to sear. And when crispy, make room to add your onion and garlic. Okay, go ahead and turn off the burner, and now is a good time to thinly slice your steak. It's sat for a while and reached its ideal temperature. Beautiful, crisp and caramelized on the outside with a touch of tender reddish pink on the inside. Add the steak and juices back into the pan and combine with the mushroom mix. A match made in heaven. Here I add some of our curry sauce to let the flavors blend as we continue cooking our plants. A swirl of healthy fat, and we add our firmer sweet potatoes. Stir to coat. Add salt for sparkle, even though I forgot here. Once the potatoes have browned, pile them together for a quick steam. A tablespoon or two of water or broth around the outside of the pan, and place your lid. Our next batch is zucchini. Just as we did with our potatoes, stir to coat. Salt for sparkle. And press to sear. The zucchini are high in water content, so oftentimes they won't need a quick steam, especially if you like your vegetables on the crisp side, like I do. Add in our delicate pea shoots. And sprinkle in our sweet garden peas. A gentle stir to combine, and plate. As always, there are many ways to plate the final ingredients. Here I simply combine all the vegetables for the foundation of the dish, top with our protein-packed steak and mushroom mix, with a drizzle of our warm, bright curry sauce. I hope you love this dish as much as we do. Enjoy.